How to use Authy on desktop and mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and make sure that you download this application called Authy Authenticator. Now as you can see on the screen, I've already installed the application. So I'm going to tap on open and it will land me to the user interface of the application. Now, in order to create an account over here, all you need is just your country code and your phone number. So just mention your country code over here and then mention your phone number. Then tap on submit and then tap on yes again. After you tap on yes, it will now ask you to add your email address over here. So just add your email address and it will send a verification code to your email ID that you have associated with this account. So you just have to wait and make sure that you verify your email ID. So after entering your verification code, it will now start verifying your account. So you just have to be a little patient while it's going through its process of verifying your account. So you can now just tap on any of these options to send you a verification code for your phone number. So make sure that you have stable internet connection to send it the verification code, and after verifying your phone code, you can just use it as an authenticator on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.